Hi everybody, my name is Joe Summers, and along with my wife Tanya, we own and operate Lily. You want to amaze your friends with a quick tip? Here it is, how to tell the difference between an annual water lily and a perennial water lily when you first walk up to your friend's pond. Typically, an annual water lily will hold its flower above the surface of the water. It could be anywhere from a few inches to, look at this guy, this one's standing up a good foot above that water surface. Generally, a perennial water lily will hold its flowers right at the water surface. These are two general rules. Most of the time, you'll be the hit of the party by just saying, that's an annual water lily or that's a perennial water lily. You also may be considered a plant geek. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.